Medical Center Company is a utility that serves the University Circle area of Cleveland. We have several large customers, including University Hospital, which we're now working on their expansion. Today we're actually working on pulling some cables for one of their new buildings, which is the service building, which will receive their supplies and other equipment as needed, and is connected to their new cancer hospital, which is also part of the expansion, and they also have a new emergency center.
We got 2 pulls we're doing today, starting from a manhole on the corner of intersecting streets and into the new service building, the University Hospital, into a S&C switchgear.
I had Southwire specified to begin with, but then the contractor did want to use a new product, which I said is fine, you know, that's good. So we ended up using the new product, and it undoubtedly saved him a great deal of time and effort, because otherwise he would have been pre-lubing conduits and lubing the cable, and he doesn't have to do any of that.
Sustainability is very important to our company and to our customers. So we looked at your product and saw some major advantages in that we didn't have to use the lubricant to pull the cable, which of course eliminates the need to get rid of the rags and the buckets and the cleanup.
Underground ducts get moisture in them, water. Conventional lubricants wash off or dilute, but this product, nothing's going to wash off of it, so that's why it's a plus.
We also understand that there is no lead in your insulating jacket, which is very important to us.
When you're preparing the cables for terminations and splices, you have to clean this insulation by sanding, which puts airborne products in the air. And this being no lead, we feel a lot safer using it.
I think it's good that we are looking at doing something that's more of a precaution for the future.
I think that's a great item. Factory ends are awesome, easier in the field, time saver in the field for sure.
How smooth it went at both ends. I was at both ends when they were feeding it into the manhole and when the final slug came up on the other side. And everybody, including electricians, were impressed that everything was very smooth, very clean, no nicks. We're happy.
They're looking for the future. I think they're looking for what today's market is dictating, which is labor saving, easy installation, just a simpler job in the field.